Turn AI into your paycheck. Welcome to Pro AI Income, where AI meets real profits. First, just see this. How it looks. What you're seeing is an NYC street food website I built. The animated hero section video sets the mood instantly. A dark, modern theme that feels premium and bold. Menu, story, testimonials, and location, all included. And this entire website was created with AI. No coding. No developers. This was all built using Google Antigravity. It's Google's new AI tool for building websites and apps. It writes code, designs layouts, and tests everything automatically. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Google Antigravity, what it is, how it works, and why it's better than tools like Cursor and other vibe coding platforms. We'll understand the full workflow step by step, then build an amazing website like this from scratch using AI. After that, I'll show you how to deploy the website for free and, most importantly, how to sell websites like this to real businesses so you can turn this skill into income and start earning money with AI. Now, if you think it will be beneficial to you and you want more tutorial like this, then just subscribe to the channel. So let's start. In very first step, we will understand the anti-gravity and why it is better. Google Antigravity was launched on November 18th, 2025. Anti-gravity was announced by Google DeepMind with the release of the Gemini 3 Pro model. It allows autonomous AI agents to plan, write, test, and debug code. Anti-gravity is not just another coding assistant that gives suggestions while you type. It's designed around the idea of AI agents that can plan, execute, and verify full development tasks almost autonomously. That means instead of manually writing every line of code, you supervise an AI agent that behaves more like a junior developer working alongside you. You describe what you want, and the agent researches, writes code, runs commands, opens a browser, tests features, and produces clear deliverables that show what it completed. Modern AI models, especially Gemini 3, have reached a level where they can work for longer periods without constant human intervention. Traditional IDEs were built for humans, typing code step by step. But anti-gravity is built for an agent-first future. It introduces a new way of interacting with software development where you operate at a higher level, giving goals instead of instructions. The platform includes two main environments: an advanced AI-powered editor that feels familiar to developers, and an agent manager that works like mission control. The manager allows multiple agents to run in parallel, handle background tasks, and report progress asynchronously, which is very different from the real-time prompt-by-prompt interaction most tools rely on today. One of the most important ideas behind anti-gravity is trust. Many AI tools either overwhelm you with raw technical logs or hide everything and only show the final result. Anti-gravity sits in the middle. It organizes work into tasks and produces artifacts, things like implementation plans, walkthroughs, screenshots, and browser recordings. These artifacts act as proof of work, making it easier to verify what the AI actually did. Instead of guessing, you can review structured evidence of progress. This builds confidence and allows beginners to use powerful automation without feeling lost. Another key feature is autonomy. Anti-gravity agents don't just sit inside a text editor waiting for prompts. They can move across environments. An agent can write code, open the terminal, launch a local server, control a browser, click buttons, test features, and confirm results. This ability to interact with real software environments is what pushes anti-gravity beyond tools like Cursor and other vibe coding platforms. Those tools mainly assist humans while they code. Anti-gravity aims to complete entire workflows with minimal supervision. You're no longer micromanaging each action, you're supervising outcomes. Feedback is also built into the system. AI is powerful but not perfect, so anti-gravity allows you to comment directly on the agent's work. You can leave notes on text documents, highlight screenshots, and provide corrections while the agent continues running. This creates a collaborative loop instead of an all or nothing experience. Even more importantly, anti-gravity includes a self-improvement layer. The system can store useful knowledge from past work, code snippets, solutions, patterns, and reuse that information in future tasks. Over time, the agent becomes more aligned with your style and workflow. Right now, Anti-Gravity is available in public preview at no cost with generous usage limits. It runs on Mac, Linux, and Windows, and supports multiple advanced AI models inside the same environment. Anti-gravity is better than most vibe coding tools because it doesn't just assist, it executes full tasks. Tools like Cursor mainly suggest code while you work, but anti-gravity can plan, build, test, and verify entire features on its own. It can control the browser, run terminals, and check results automatically. You supervise the process instead of doing every step manually. That level of autonomy makes it closer to an AI developer than a simple coding assistant. Now let's move into step 2, the practical part, and actually build a real website with anti-gravity. Instead of starting with theory, we're going straight into creating a project from scratch so you can see how this works in the real world. The goal is to build a modern NYC street food website, like the Burger Bee example you just saw. Now I'm going to create a website for a pizza shop because this type of local business website is in huge demand, especially in Tier 1 countries. Many small businesses are doing well offline, but don't know how to build a professional online presence. That creates a real opportunity. So let's start by opening Google, typing anti-gravity, going to the official website, and downloading the version that matches your device. The installation is simple. Just click Next through the setup. Lastly, it will ask to sign in with your Google account. So just give it permission, and within a minute, you'll have anti-gravity running on your system and ready to create your first project. Now open the Agent Manager, and you'll see this main dashboard screen. This is where you give your prompt and choose the Gemini model you want to use. For the prompt, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a strong, structured instruction, because a good prompt is important for building a high-quality website. I asked it to create a complete website brief for a pizza shop, and it gave me this. Create a modern, eye-catching website for Pizzy Pop, a vibrant local pizza shop in NYC with bold colors, mouth-watering food photography, and a fun, urban vibe. Include key pages, home, menu, about us, location and hours, online ordering, gallery, and contact. Display the full address, map integration, phone number, and social links prominently. Optimize for mobile, fast loading, and local SEO with clear calls to action like order now and visit us today. Use animations and modern typography to create a premium but friendly neighborhood feel. I simply copy this entire prompt and paste it into the anti-gravity chat box. Once everything looks good, I click the Run button, and the AI agent starts building the project automatically. Now you can see the agent has started working. It goes step by step and asks for your permission before major actions, so you stay in control the whole time. It analyzes the prompt, plans the structure, writes the code, applies the logic, and builds the entire vibe-coded website automatically. This process takes a little time because the AI is thinking, verifying, and generating everything properly. You'll see it mention details like project structure, frameworks, and development steps as it progresses. The best part is that you can chat with the agent anytime and tell it what to add, remove, or change. On the side panel, you can watch the live development, screenshots of the website, code updates, and task progress, and you can even leave comments directly as annotations to guide the build. It's designed to be simple and visual, so even a beginner with no technical background can understand what's happening and collaborate with the AI easily. Now I think our website is ready. You can see the screenshots the agent shared, and it has also launched a live preview on localhost so we can view the site in a real browser. I'll open the localhost link, and yes, the website is fully generated. It created a modern design that fits a real local business with the theme, layout, and pages all structured properly. From here, you can keep improving the site just by chatting with the agent and requesting changes. I want to make it more impactful and visually engaging, so I'm going to add an animated hero video like the one you saw earlier in the Burger Bee example. I'm creating this hero video using Veo 3 inside Gemini Enterprise, which is Google's AI video tool for business users. During the first month, you can generate unlimited high-quality videos, which makes it perfect for creating premium website visuals. I already prepared the prompt using ChatGPT, and if you want all the prompts I used in this tutorial, you can join the Pro AI Income group where I'll share everything. Link is in the description. I simply paste the prompt and let the system generate the video. You can also create high-definition animations from images, but to keep things fast and simple, I'm generating a direct cinematic video. As you can see, it produced an amazing sequence showing the full pizza-making process. When you add visuals like this to a website, the entire look instantly levels up and makes the business feel professional and premium, which is exactly the kind of detail that impresses clients. You can further edit and refine the video if you want, but for this demo, I'll continue with this version. I download the file and go back to Google Antigravity. Now I tell the agent that I want to add this video to the Hero section of the homepage. The upload button doesn't support direct video upload here, so instead, I paste the file path into the chat and run the command. Within a few seconds, Antigravity analyzes the video and automatically integrates it into the Hero section. I'll skip the waiting part and open the localhost preview again. And you can see how beautiful the website looks now. The Hero video instantly makes the homepage feel cinematic and professional. This kind of visual upgrade makes the site stand out and creates a strong first impression. You can even customize small details like the cursor icon. In my earlier Burger Bee website, I changed the cursor to match the brand, and I'll do the same here. I simply instruct Antigravity to replace the default cursor with a pizza slice icon. The agent understands the request and applies the change automatically. And you can see it's done. Now the cursor matches the theme of the website. These small branding touches push the design to the next level and make the site feel unique and professional. In the same way, you can keep improving the website and adding new features just by typing instructions. No traditional coding required. You can change design, animations, layout, or functionality simply through conversation. For this demo, I think the website is ready. The final step is deployment. You can host it on platforms like Vercel, Netlify, or GitHub pages, completely free, similar to how deployment works in Google AI Studio projects. You just tell Antigravity that you want to deploy the site, and it guides you through the remaining steps automatically. Within minutes, your website can be live on the internet and ready to share with clients. Now let's talk about how to actually find clients and sell websites like this. Easiest way is to target small, local businesses that already exist but have weak or outdated websites. Open Google Maps and search for pizza shops, cafes, barbers, salons, or restaurants in Tier 1 cities. Open their websites and look for businesses with no website or a bad one. Build a quick demo version of their site using Antigravity, then contact them with a simple message showing the upgrade. You can reach them through email, Instagram, or by walking in and showing the demo on your phone. Don't sell technical features. Show how the new website makes their business look premium and attracts more customers. Post your work on Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn as portfolio content so business owners see what you can do. You can also list your service on Fiverr and Upwork using demo projects as proof. This becomes a repeatable system. Find businesses, build demos, show results, close the deal, and offer a monthly maintenance plan. That's how you market the skill and turn website building into a real service business. And that's the complete workflow, from idea to a live, professional website built entirely with AI. This is more than a tech demo. It's a real skill you can use to help businesses come online and earn from it. Local shops, restaurants, and small brands need websites like this, and now you know how to build and deploy them without coding. If you follow this process, you can turn simple prompts into real digital products and real income. This is exactly what Pro AI Income is about, using AI tools in a practical way to create opportunities. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and join the Pro AI Income Telegram group for all the prompts and resources from this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.